Hi folks, this is Raj. Thanks for joining my YouTube channel. I'm going to review a new watch from WYZE, which I got it recently, and I've been waiting for it to come over for quite a long time. I had pre-ordered this watch about 5 to 6 months, I would say, and it looked very similar to an Apple product, Apple Watch, and I was so excited because of the brand WYZE has produced a lot of good stuff. Like we had cameras in the past, so I thought a watch would be a good way to start exploring more products with them. So finally received the product yesterday morning. I woke up and I got this stuff in the mail, and I opened up this package today, and I want to open up and share my review with you all. Right. So this is the carton box that was, packaging box that was sent. Pretty neat. It has a picture of the watch itself and has the features, what they provide. That includes sleep tracking, customizable screens. They say it's waterproof. That's about 2 meters, I guess, according to the specification, and up to 30 minutes. Has a women's health tracking, app. Activity heart rate monitor, tracking as well, and blood oxygen, I think it's the saturation level. So let's see what is inside this box. So it's a little bit of a struggle to take this out, but now it is here. Alright. It's a very cool looking carton box which got some tabs here and there. So I'm just trying to pull the stuff out. So this looks like a carton inside another box. Okay, let's open this out. There you go. So you see the watch here. It looks pretty good. So it's a 47 millimeters glass bezel dimension I ordered. I think it's about 1.75 inches in diagonal, and let's see what is below it. So we have a regular charging cable over here, and then the watch itself looks like it. If I don't get the watch out, okay. A little bit of cardboard. Okay, this is out, and they're given this is the watch, and you can see that. Let me take the strip out. Oh, looks good. Looks quite similar in design to an Apple Watch, and you can also see that they have an aluminum casing, not like a not like a plastic one like other ones that you see in Amazon. Has a small switch button on the right side. Let me open up this. Okay. So it has an infrared sensor at the back with like a glossy finish that probably goes onto your wrist. That is going to be your saturation level monitoring. You can see WYZE Watch 47, WW3, and you can see, I'm assuming this is going to be your charging port, which I'll probably open it up in a few minutes. And overall, the watch looks very sleek, very modern, very light actually, because being an aluminum casing, I thought it would be a little bit on the heavier side, but it looks pretty light. Fit and finish is really good. Really surpassed my expectation. Has a WYZE logo on the WYZE logo on the small buckle here. I also noticed a small thing, pretty interesting though. Often our watches, when they get slip out, and they have a small tooth-like projection there that goes and locks into this one of these the buckle holes. So that's a very neat touch. So I'm going to switch on this particular watch. Okay, before that, I'm going to just have a quick start guide. Okay, so the quick start guide, this is a quick start guide that was given to us along with the box. Okay, Okay, it says activation. Then download the app. I already have downloaded the app because we use WYZE cameras, at our residence. And then you to add the device, they give clear instructions using a QR code, and then the watch is all set. And this is the elaboration of the controls. How do you change the controls, and the other warning information and other stuff. So let's dive into the watch and switch it on. All right. I want to keep it here. All right, I'm going to switch this on. Looks nice. All right, so it is wow, the display is good. I don't know, how do I, yeah, it's good. So you can see that you have the face here, we have the time, and then the day and date, and there's a number of steps. So from what the instructions I got, so the ways to look at the other functions could be push that to the side from your from your right to left. You have all the apps. So let me switch it to my side so it's easier for me to see. Okay, so you have the activity app here. So it sets 0, 1, go. So it's like a timer, I guess. All right, so then we need to go back, and then let's end this short record. We're going to end the exercise. So basically it's an exercise timer that you put on when you're in your treadmill or in your bicycle, where you'll be, so the only thing is that the screen keeps switching off. Maybe I need to put it on my wrist, so automatically it detects that I'm seeing the watch. So let me put this on. Looks well. Yeah, I'm right. So it needs to be seen. I need to see it so that the face of the watch gets lighted. So once I see that, so again I'm going to push, swipe from left. So this is the face of the watch. Swipe towards the left will give the other apps. Okay, you have a data app that will kind of shows what's the amount of data. This is your blood oxygen. Okay, look at that. That's cool. So you have a blood oxygen app which measures your saturation level. So I'm trying to see whether it can read my wrist, because sometimes it depends on if you have any interference. Let's give it a few minutes to see if your infrared sensors can pick up how much of saturation I have currently. It's taking a few minutes. Please wear your watch and remeasure. Okay, let's do it again. It's a bit tight. There you go. 99 saturation, 19% saturation. Pretty good. So looks like I'm healthy as well. All right, let's go back to the other one. So this is the heart rate. So that's going to check the heart rate. Okay, this looks cool. Let's see if it picks up my heart rate too. 92, not bad. All right, so this is going to be your sleep data monitor and alarm. You can set an alarm here, and then this is going to be your timer. Okay, that's not bad. So if you want to have a timer, you want to have a quick nap, or you want to do some quick work, so you can probably set up a timer there. The shortcuts, you could probably set your own shortcuts based on what you need. We are based in St. Louis, so this is the weather today. It's pretty cloudy, but still a lot of sun outside, much better than what it was last week. All right, so this was the left swipe. Let's do the right swipe. Okay, that's a shortcut, right swipe, then go back, then let's do the top swipe. That's your message. So you sort of connect it to your app, so which probably I'll show you, how to set it up. And this is like a quick, like a how you have the control board or control panel in your iPhone. It's very similar to that. So let's see what you have. So you have the battery, I'm assuming this is 99%, and then you have the brightness. So you have, this is the high brightness. Okay, that wasn't the low brightness. So this is in the high brightness. So, and then you have do not disturb. That's pretty cool. And then this is phone ringing. So basically it tries to, I'm assuming if you left your phone somewhere, it can probably try to it can probably try to locate your phone. So let's try to see if you connect your WYZE app to this. So this is your the app on the phone, and you can see that it is syncing successful. It has got several faces, whichever face you want, and then you have notifications. You have the other raise to wake, and all those things have been set up here. So pretty cool. And you can also set up to see whether you want this phone to be running in the background. You can also see the other details on your watch to be transferred to your phone, so you can track your activity completely. So let's go back, and you have to different apps can be added. You can also add some shortcuts like notifications. So notifications could be from all the other apps that we are familiar with, like WhatsApp, Apple Mail, Google Mail, Gmail, WeChat, Facebook, phone call, text message, iMessage. I'm assuming the Gmail and the mails, the first few, the preview is only allowed, and the rest of the information you need to go to your phone to check it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the watch. I'm very excited. It looks it looks awesome, and it fits well. It's very light. Let's see with the battery. They say according to the website, I think it stays for not sure how many days is this. I think for 10 days, so I can double check that. But overall, this looks pretty cool. So I will probably do another review video maybe after a couple of weeks of using this this watch, and see if there's anything has changed, and look forward to hear your comments in the comment section. And also one more thing I noticed in the app, in the WYZE website, is that they also provide supplemental straps or for order, like leather straps in different color, like tan, green, and silicones in different color. That's a cool thing. But again, all the watches are in pre-order, or they've been backlogged because of excess numbers, I guess. So I hope you guys get your watches if you have already ordered them. And please share your comments, and please share your experience with the WYZE watch, like what we have. Thank you. Have a great day.